big enough.
I'll let you go first. Yeah. Oh, that was too big.
You'll do it. They will do it. Okay, one more.
Go ahead.
One more. I think I can do it. They're aggressive, right?
Yeah, well,
They're pretty good. Yeah.
They're bullies with this, with the crows.
Ready? This is one to do. Yeah.
How bad do you want it?
How bad do you want it, buddy? Oh! Yeah, I gotta give it to him. I'm not me.
That was good, yeah, he tried.
That was good. That was good.
Oh, they're fighting each other. Come on.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Oh, this one.
Let's get one to go from your mouth. What?
No, I won't do that. I've got them in my fingers.
That's pretty cool, man. So cool.
There's a couple more there. I'm just gonna toss it out. Ready? Go, hit. Oh, only one of them got it. Sorry.
Nice. That was a nice throw.
Because I'm all out, so.